where we was at. I'm going in there. The Diddy has been.
Oh no.
Let's go.
Today's mode of transport. So, leaving from Livorno, we decided to take the road that leads us along the coast. It took us through towns such as Calambrone and Tirrenia, which seem to be busier during the tourist season. These towns have good beaches, but are also quite close to Pisa. Following my usual Maps.me app, we took a random road that took us through a wooded area, which is a beautiful sight when you're working at sea. This nature reserve protects Mediterranean forests and coastal dune ecosystems, home to diverse wildlife, including migratory birds, mammals like foxes and reptiles. You can forget it. We have no idea. Where's the coffee and panino? Oh well, it's time for an early lunch, Fabian.
Breakfast.
Or late breakfast. After a quick bit of food and coffee, we got back on the bikes and headed onto a bike lane. The bike lane from Tirrenia to Pisa offers a scenic and evocative journey through Tuscany. Fabio, your shop. Approaching Pisa, the path follows the tranquil Arno River, its gentle flow leading you towards the city. The landscape shifts, and soon the grand silhouette of Pisa's architectural treasures appears, crowned by the Leaning Tower and the Piazza dei Miracoli. Well, we made it to Pisa. We just need to find the tower now. Fabio, is the Leaning Tower? Would you pay 40 euros to go on top?
Fuck no.
Tight as fuck. Rising from the heart of Pisa, the Leaning Tower is a marvel of both engineering and beauty. Its famous tilt, caused by unstable soil, has made it an icon worldwide. Surrounding it are the Grand Cathedral of Pisa, the elegant baptistry, and the Camposanto Cemetery. Fabio here in the search of food and drink. What drink are you looking for, Fabian?
I want a special beer.
Don't lie, you're looking for an Aperol Spritz, you fucking big gay. Come on. Second meal of the day. Well, Fabian kills himself with cancer.
Hey Philip, what do you think about Pisa? Do you like it?
It's a very good question. Apart from the massive sea of people, I would think Pisa is amazing. Very, very nice. And the best was sharing it with such fantastic company as yourself.
What do you think about the Leaning Tower of Pisa?
What the fuck?
And all these buildings surrounding.
All the other shit. Yeah, well, it's a tower and it's kind of leaning a bit.
Can you be more specific, please? Give us some.
Would you like the exact angle of lean, or?
No, tell something about maybe the details of construction and.
Well, a fine young man also said to me, you know, he's like, in the tower they have all these faces in the side of the tower. You know, I couldn't help but agreeing with this fine young man. I'll pass, thank you. I'm okay, thank you.
No.
Do I want that? Why do I want that?
Oh dear. Yes.
No, I don't want that.
Please.
No.
Grazie.
Anyone?
No. Grazie. No, I say no.
So we're on our way back to Livorno now. I'm not sure my arsehole will survive, to be honest.
Take off.
Okay, so we're on our way back now. Honestly, I'm struggling. My legs hurt. My arsehole hurts. Everything hurts. Fabian has a nice seat on his bike, so he's fine. Will we make it? That's the question. I'm not sure. But we'll bloody try. Regardless, it's been a fantastic day, and yeah, the struggle is sometimes the best part of it. At least then you get some kind of achievement at the end, you know. 10k left, how are you doing? We have about 7k's left now. Honestly, my arse is hurting so much I can barely sit down on the seat. My hands, Jesus Christ, my hands. Stuck behind this bloody bridge again. Who is this twat? Making me 2 kilometers left and then 60 done. Happy days. Oh my god, I'm back in one piece. My arse is hanging awful. Here he is, Fabi.
Is he right?
fat line. That's useless, isn't it?
Bianca.
Taking the wrong road. On a 200-meter detour. We're finally at the ship. Our arseholes are destroyed.
That is before you came into right.
So here's another 2-minute adventure, which is probably 6-minute adventure. We'll see you again soon. Bye bye.
Bye.